Let's talk about custom alerts. Consider this scenario for a moment where you are analyzing your app installed event against days, and in this event analysis, you see a sudden drop from 22nd to 23rd of July. To get notified of such drops and take preventive action, alerts can be helpful. So, if you want to set an alert for the app installed event, simply click on these three dots and select Create Alerts. Once you do that, you can start by giving your alert a name and description, and you can select if you want to be notified of occurrences, uniques, or monthly, weekly, or daily active users. Occurrences will give you the count of app installed event, whereas uniques will give you the total number of users who performed the event. You can check this metric every day, week, or hour. I'm going to go ahead and select week. And I want to be notified if the current value is below the previous week's value by 10%. I would want to notify Janani. From the Advanced section, you can add more nuances to the report by splitting it based on country. Now, just hit Create Alert. Once you do that, you can track all the alerts that you sent from under the Data Platform section. And if you want to create a new alert, you can also use the plus icon here and start by creating any alert for any custom or system events that you wish.